Imagine you're chilling on YouTube and you see an ad that doesn't scream, "I'm a scam." No Comic Sans, no misspellings, just a click ad with a familiar face. You think, hey, this might be legit, but then, whoops, you're on a page that's about as safe as a chocolate teapot. Welcome to the new age of cyber shenanigans. The YouTube conundrum. YouTube's like that big party everyone's invited to. And guess what? Scammers love a good party. They're using YouTube's massive reach and automated ad system to slip in their sneaky scams. They're crafting ads so real, they could win an Oscar for Best Actor. Phishing, not just for fishermen. Content creators, beware. Scammers are phishing for you with emails that look cozier than a kitten in a yarn basket. Click on their collab links and you might as well hand over the keys to your channel. Next thing you know, your account's spewing out more scam than a politician in election season. Advertising, the bad ad epidemic. The scammers are also playing director, uploading videos with ads that'll take you on a trip to Scamville. They promise you giveaways and investments that are too good to be true because they are. Remember, if an online deal smells fishier than a tuna sandwich, it probably is. Deep fakes. Seeing isn't believing. And let's talk deep fakes. These aren't your grandma's cut and paste jobs. We're talking high-tech trickery that makes it look like your favorite celeb's selling you something they probably can't even pronounce. If it looks like Einstein's endorsing energy drinks, do a double take. Protecting your digital turf. So how do you keep safe in this wild west of the web? Be skeptical. Verify everything. An email about a collab? Double check it. Stumbled upon a too good to be true ad? Give it the side eye. And if you see a deep fake that's too weird to be true, trust your gut. Remember, folks, the internet's a jungle, and YouTube's the watering hole where the digital predators lurk. Stay alert, stay skeptical, and keep your sense of humor. It's your best defense against the online boogeyman. My thanks to the original article on the Avast Blog by Nyrmah J. Reina, titled YouTube, the Backdrop of a Scammer's Play. You'll find Nyrmah's article at the link listed. Stay safe, stay secure, and always verify before selecting any link, whether it's on YouTube, your email, or anywhere else. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.